I just tried my iPhone 11 Pro Max and it fits in the front of the pocket with the 6-key ring holder. Both of them inside of the pocket. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. At this time I have a comparison between a Mountsouri PM backpack and the Palm Springs PM backpack. Let me give you the details on the handbags. Let me start with the Palm Springs PM. The Palm Springs PM comes in the mini size, and this is the PM size. This is the medium, and then the MM, which is a one size up on this one. All right, the measurements for this bag is 3.9 inches, width, height 11.4, and length 8.7. All right, the strap drops at 19.7 inches and maximum 26.7 inches backpack wear. Show you guys how does it look, and I have it at the longest side. And the Montsouri backpack, all right, it comes in a BB size, and the BB size, they have a natural color and the black color, on-prong leather, and they have it on turtle dove, which is kind of like taupe, kind of like brown, super like light brown. It's super cute. And the black one, and this one of course is the monogram with black, and then there is another one that comes also in the natural color, which is with right. The measurements are, the length is 10.8 inches, 13 inches height, 5.5 inches width, 30.3 inches minimum drop for the handles, and the maximum is 32.9. all right, I'll show you. This is a little bit more dressy kind of style. This one, I believe, and this is the reverse monogram. Just because of the strap, I think it's a little bit more sporty, but this is just my opinion. All right, what do you guys think? This is when you saw the video, this was heavier than this one. Okay, this one, it feels lighter. All right, so maybe to work out or to go biking, hiking, I think this is going to be a better option. This is going to be more like everyday backpack. Okay, let me know in the comments below, what do you think about. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up on the video, that I have more unboxings coming, and don't forget to subscribe.